built for the serious rider who demands performance, reliability, and factory-level engineering in a real-world package. This is the 2025 Honda CRF450RL. A street-legal dual-sport weapon that's ready to dominate the trail and cruise the pavement without breaking a sweat. At the heart of the CRF450RL is a 449 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. With a Unicam SOHC design and 4 valves per cylinder, this powerplant delivers serious performance, 38 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 27.8 pound-feet of torque at 6,400 RPM, as tested by Dirt Rider. Fuel delivery comes via an advanced EFI system with a 46mm throttle body for precise control, and a wet, multiplate clutch with cable actuation offers smooth engagement across all 6 gears. This power is harnessed through a durable chain-driven 6-speed transmission, perfect for both low-speed crawling and high-speed highway pulls. The CRF450RL is built around a robust aluminum twin-spar frame, lightweight yet strong. Up front, it features a premium show of 49mm coil spring fork with full adjustability and a generous 12 inches of travel. In the rear, a fully adjustable show a shock with 11.8 inches of travel and high/low speed compression settings. Tuning this bike to your style is effortless. Braking power comes courtesy of Nissan, a 260mm disc with a 2-piston caliper in the front and a 240mm disc with a single-piston caliper at the rear. It rolls on classic 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, wrapped in IRC Footloose Trails GP tires, ready to tackle mud, rocks, and blacktop alike. The CRF450RL has a rake of 28.5 degrees and a trail of 4.8 inches, providing responsive handling on tight trails. With a wheelbase of 58.9 inches, it strikes a solid balance between stability and agility. Seat height sits tall at 37.3 inches, ideal for aggressive off-road maneuvering, and it holds 2 gallons of fuel in a lightweight tank. It tips the scales at a claimed curb weight of just 289 pounds, impressive for a fully street-legal enduro machine. In conclusion, it's not just a dual sport. It's a street-legal dirt bike with Honda's bulletproof DNA. Whether you're ripping through the desert, bombing forest trails, or cruising into town, the 2025 Honda CRF450RL is built to ride hard, ride far, and ride with confidence. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.